Good evening, friends. Uh, Welcome to the new video of the channel. Before I proceed, मैं आप लोगों को एक बात क्लियर करना चाहता हूं कि आई एम नॉट ए सेबी रजिस्टर्ड एनालिस्ट। ये जो प्लेटफॉर्म हमने लेट्स लर्न ट्रेडिंग बनाया है, इट्स ए फ्री ट्रेडिंग प्लेटफॉर्म। ये एजुकेशनल प्लेटफॉर्म है। हियर वी ओनली शेयर इन एजुकेशनल आइडियाज। None of the ideas should be taken as a buy or a sell recommendation. Stock market is a real risky stuff. And the risk is with your money. So I tell you all is please trade with a lot of caution. Don't go by tips. Don't go by anybody saying. Even since I am not a SEBI registered, so please, जो भी idea मैं share करता हूँ, ये is based on some kind of observations or somewhere I had seen in the on the YouTube or I have read about it somewhere. So before you take any or trade on any of these ideas, please do consult your financial advisor. Do a lot of back testing and then you do trade it actually. Paper trade करो, paper trade के बाद अगर confidence आपको किसी भी टेक्निक के ऊपर आता है तब आप करें। हमने रैबिट 1, 2 and 3 किया था। 3 strategies हम already कर चुके हैं। And most of us are a very fond of trading in bank nifties and all that stuff. अब इनकी जो ऑप्शंस जो स्ट्रैटेजीज होती हैं, everybody would like to go into an option buying strategy because the margin required is very less. So everybody wants to learn more and more about it. The options in Nifty and Bank Nifty has one thing which is common and actually is common in most of the options in the index iris. Since they are weekly expiry, there is a word known as theta, that is a theta decay comes into play. So keeping that into consideration, most of the trades everybody wants to enter is based on some kind of a criteria that they should enter and then sustain into that so long as their criteria is met. Option trading, many people have learned it, mastered it, but it's fraught with a lot of danger. I must confess that even in the initial days and sometimes today also, I end up making a lot of losses also. Profit and losses are part of the game. Learning is a constant process. So today we are going to discuss the Rabbit 4 strategy, which is a scalping strategy in index-based funds. Usually for intraday, the shortest possible time frame should be used for when you're doing an option trading in an index, you can say, instrument. So today what we are going to do is we are going to we are going to lay down the rules to the instruments in what we are going to actually see where the trade is to be done. So we are looking at Bank Nifty and the mother of all, the Nifty. I'm not taking it in any other senses because the liquidity, the candle size and everything varies a lot. So we are only going to look at these two instruments only. We are not looking at the stocks or any other thing. If you want to try it, you can do it at your own risk. Number two is the indicators what we are going to use. We are going to plot two EMAs, each of 60 duration, of 60. The length is going to be 60. Time frame is 1 minute. So this is going to be quick in and quick out strategy, making small amount of money, and we will make regular profit and come out of it. I had done few of trades on this thing in the past also. I had posted in the groups also. So how we are going to use indicator is we have to plot EMA 60 close and EMA low 60. So I will show you how it is done. The entry rule is for buy, the candle should close above the sorry. above the EMA channel. And for the sell, it has to be opposite. The candle should close below the channel. Now, how long you should take the trade is? The duration of trade is आप कितना लंबा ट्रेड लेके जाना चाहते हैं, it all depends upon your risk appetite. Remember one thing, बैंक निफ्टी खासकर एक ऐसा इंस्ट्रूमेंट जिसमें 1 या 5 मिनट की कैंडल में 200-400 पॉइंट एक नॉर्मल बात है. निफ्टी में 50 पॉइंट अप डाउन होना है, बड़ी नॉर्मल बात है. So risk is your own, how much you can take the risk. Classically is you get 30-40 points in bank nifty, it's good enough. Please do not trade on gap ups and gap downs. Please do not carry your positions overnight. And this is purely for the ATM positions. Purely ATM options to be used, to be traded. No way it is an OTM buying strategy, because OTM में decay factor थोड़ा सा ज्यादा आ जाता है, and then we cannot, हो सकता है वो इतनी मूवमेंट ना करे जिससे आपको प्रॉफिट बने. So again, making it very clear to all of you, it is an ATM option. Now I will show you how it is to be done. So as our first thing is, we will plot two indicators, EMA. We will plot it twice. So duration is, the first is 60 close, okay, and 60 low. This is now at 30 minutes time frame. So we convert it to 1 minute. Now you can see how nicely you can do a scale. Your entry is very classically, we are buying a CE. By CE. Now I will lay down all the rules and for everybody. There are two ways you can buy it, just that it closes above the candle, or when the high of the candle is cut. That is the second way of taking the trade is. Since it's a 1 minute strategy, this is your entry point. We are buying a ATM call into it, and then we are staying in the trade for a short duration, making a rapid 20 to 30 points. People who are ready to take the risk can take the trade longer, and on any good trading day, they will make good amount of profit. But mind it, there are going to be days, there are going to be days where your profit may get wiped out, because the candle closes here and almost the second candle closes out here is. So if you stick to the rules that you make quick 20-30 points, that's the best. Regular, constant, small profits will make the wealth grow up. There are going to be days where you are going to practically get into a beautiful move like this from here, 46,618, very few red candles, and you end up somewhere around about 300 points up. So in a 0.6 delta, 0.5 will turn into 0.6 and a 0.7 delta. You will be making somewhere around 150 to 200 points. This is a rapid move. In the same day, you can get it. Do not try to do it a gap up opening. This is the gap up opening, it is going to be bullish. Please do not do it. Do not carry your positions overnight. Do not carry your positions overnight. See, it was here on the gap up on day one candle, and practically it had come and touched this at the almost the same point. इतने एरिया में उसका डिके जो होएगा, but fag end of the day में इसने beautiful आपको एक run दिया. So book profit regularly, constant. Do not try to do it, mix 2 or 3 techniques and then do it. This is a rabbit force strategy. We are coming in like a rabbit, फटाफट शिकार किया और वापस अपने बिल में घुस के बैठ गए. Making a constant profit is an important thing. There are going to be the days where we will have these kind of systems where our stop losses will get hit. We will not get a trade. if couple of trades, if the पहले half में आपका एक trade भी अगर loss में चला जाता है, तो then try to take one more maximum trade. But अगर उसके बाद भी जाता है, then go till the fag end of the day where you may get a good movement like this one. 12:30 onwards, आपका जो भी लॉस हुआ होगा उसने ये 100 पॉइंट में आपका सारा कवर कर दिया है. सेम वे यू शुड ऑलवेज, एक और इसमें एक थोड़ा सा छोटा सा हैक बता देता हूं. डू नॉट ट्रेड ऑन बिग कैंडल्स. लाइक सी दिस इज अ वेरी बिग कैंडल कमिंग, almost whole of the move is done. Then there was a small move out here and then it retraced back. So this is all a sideways movement, kind of a big trap. Like see, you see this one also. Didn't move too much, went back, then move almost the same. Then went back almost to the same level and then it gave a good move. Do not try to trade too many big candles. See, like this small is good enough and going down is. Stop loss is closure above the candle. Stop loss is only if the candle closes above the channel. Then only you do it. For a CE trade, the candle should close below the channel. You don't need not put up a stop loss. But if a candle closes below your channel, close the position and go. Because immediately your position will be activated on the put side. Because if it closes below it, your put gets activated. So you have exited your call position and bought your put conditions. There will be days like this, false breakouts, false conditions, but on the other side, you will get it covered it totally. So always remember, a small candle when you do like this, a beautiful move downstairs, retouch, and then you are again coming down. So remember, book your profits regularly. Avoid, you are bound to be unlucky in few days where it will be these kind of sideways, but this is all part and parcel of the game. Nobody can even predict this much कि मार्केट कहां जाएगी. अब यहाँ पे एक आप देखो, आपकी सी एक्टिवेट हुई somewhere 46,465. You made a high of 46,619, approximately 150 points. 0.5 डेल्टा वाले में आपको करीब 70 ऑड पॉइंट्स मिल गए. मैं कहता हूं आपको 50 भी मिल गए होंगे, 10 लॉट भी आपके पास हुए हो. So you will end up making a good amount of money. Again, this is a kind of a bad day for you, but इसमें एक छोटा सा ट्रेड मिला and you're out. छोटा सा ट्रेड आउट, बट यहाँ पे आपके स्टॉप लॉस सेट हो गए, यहाँ पे फिर स्टॉप लॉस सेट हो गए. अब इतनी बड़ी कैंडल आई, डू नॉट टेक ए ट्रेड, अवॉइड इट. बट जब आपने यहाँ पे ट्रेड दोबारा लिया 46,644, ये भी अभी आपको मैंने दिखाया था, the good move upwards. So this is one strategy you can consider, doing a lot of paper trade and then taking a trade onto it. So any friends who have any comments on this thing is please do, put down in the comment section and I will try to reply them. एक मैं webinar में इसको लूंगा. For joining, knowing about the webinar, please join the WhatsApp group which is given in the link. And till then, friends, all the best. Trade safely and please do not fall in the hands of scamsters these days. बहुत common आजकल हो चुके हैं. See you soon and bye bye till then. Thank you.